My entire investment portfolio as of late is held between 3 copies of the Roblox UGC Baby Barn Owl on head, which has recently seen a 400% uptick in appraised market value over the span of 30 or so days. Hashtag Baby Barn Owl on head. It's a feature of the blockchain. Bye bye bye. Look at the fucking thing. Look at this is so ugly. This fucking this is this is look at this. Look at the stuff. What the wait, wait. So I just realized something. What the? It's yuck, you say? You probably meant cute. Get the owl avatar here. What? What does this mean? Why are 2 words? Like, I don't even know if yuck is an actual word. So I don't know if that counts as a misspelling. But they misspelled meant. Over this stupid baby Barno on that. The guy is like he's like verified. This baby Barno on head. Look at what? Wait. Why is it like? It looks so untextured, and the face is like disturbingly detailed. What else is there to uncover here? Hold on. What, this guy owns three baby Barno on head. Why do you have 3? The I visited Roblox myself, and unfortunately, it's like really expensive because that's how limiteds are. It was like less expensive. Wait, no, it's the same price, but it's really expensive, and I want to see how it looks in 3D. It's it's just a freaking blob. It is a blob except for the face. I think the face is like disconnected from the body. It's so ew. Ew. Where's the eyelids are weird too. And I guess the feet are kind of detailed. There's just like a little nub at the end for a tail. Why'd they make this? What? It's so ugly. The way its eyes bulge out. Ew. 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 Wait. And I'm pretty, this is the same guy that made this. This. What is this? Even the adult has a weird little nub. And at first I thought it was like Soren, but uh, it is not. Like it looks really close, but at the same time, Soren's eyes are like yellow, and this is like I don't even know what color it is, like grayish, and it's just why is why is it? Uh, uh, I wait. Okay, be a smart owl living in a cozy barn. Fly quietly at night and watch over everything with your amazing owl eyes. Anyways, what is this? How bad is this? Oh, this is actually not that bad. Okay. Perfect barn owl avatar. Okay.